This band or bandolier slightly compresses the clothes. The double fringe visible beneath the bronze figure's first tunic was likely a tie or belt for the skirt. So the Nuragic dress wasn't two tunics as recent books claim, but a skirt and single tunic system. Sometimes a third layer, likely a leather tunic, was added for mild protection against cuts. Bronzes showing two lines and fringes likely depict a belted skirt with a tunic over it. I wrote this in my 2016 book, and in the same month, Professor Ure independently reached the same conclusion. The bronzes don't wear two tunics, but a skirt and another garment. Many bronzes show only the skirt with a visible belt, sometimes unique. Those with fringed tunics also reveal a line likely indicating the skirt beneath. Let's conclude by discussing the helmet. The helmet has some truly distinctive features. First, let's talk about cattle horns. We're not sure what exact horns they used, but it's likely they were from a totemic animal. This would have been an important animal representing a family or clan. The bull, for instance, is depicted in the Domus de Janas. Though Neolithic, these predate the period we are discussing, suggesting this symbolism persisted for a long time. There's evidence from the Nuragic period too, like the shape of giants' tombs and numerous bronze bull statuettes, among other things. The stylized bull figure appears on vases and scepters with this bull horn shape. Interestingly, candelabras often have two horns, topped with spheres or a nurag shape. This probably isn't coincidental.
Forse non a caso.
Other horns are possible too, like mouflons or other animals' horns, representing totemic symbols. Notably, a bronze from Sassari shows twisted horns, like the animal it's leading, likely its totem animal. Lastly, equally interesting, but covered in another video, is the helmet's two bumps and a ring. Previously, many reconstructions showed helmets with 1, 2, or 3 small bumps on top. Actually, this helmet type, called a cap by archaeologists, has just 2 bumps, one in front, one in back. Between them is a bronze ring I've shown, likely symbolic, as it's not very practical. It's not for hanging horsehair, as bronzes don't show that. A showy, colourful element isn't depicted. It's not particularly useful for carrying. It can be held this way or that, doesn't matter. I don't think it's for hanging, as it could be hung like this or on a ceiling nail, like a ceramic container. It doesn't seem practical, but symbolic. Rings symbolize many things, like protection or the sun, as in Germanic tradition.